Hello guys, good morning. It's very very calm morning here. Yes, it's been raining yesterday. It really rained, and also today the weather is not that bad. So it seems it's going to rain, but I think this is just we have just started the rainy season because now we are ushering in April, and April normally we know it's the season of the rain. So it's been a while we have not been into contact for a while. So today I just want to say thank you, and I just want to welcome you here. And I just want to just inform you that I'll be traveling. I just want I want to go to visit. I have a series of routes of road. It's a tour. It might be a tour or something. Yeah, I'm going to Bungoma, and also I'll be passing to Kisumu, and eventually to part of Bay. Then eventually I'll be back in Nairobi. So I'll be sharing the videos there. I'll be sharing the video of the tour. I'm going to see few projects around, and they're just amazing. They're amazing. I will be sharing, and maybe we will discuss more, and I will also notify you. So I'm not leaving now, but I'll be leaving in some few hours, and I'll show you every detail of the journey until we get there, the project, and what we have there. So stay tuned and watch it. Thank you. Yes guys, like I told you yesterday, I was travel. Yes, I did travel. I left Nairobi at around it was midnight, I think so, some minutes past midnight, and I didn't have traveled to Bungoma direct, so I traveled through Kisumu because I didn't get the direct bus. I was very late, so I didn't get the direct bus to Bungoma. And also it was literally raining, so there was that scarcity of buses. So I arrived here a bit late. I arrived here because I had to connect. So I arrived here around noon in the morning, noon in the day, and we had started doing whatever we were doing. It was just a renovation. It was just a small renovation in some windows here, which I will show you later. So at the moment we are working, and we had bought everything that we were needed, and the work is going on. And also now I'm at the workshop, like you can see. I'm at their workshop here. And what I can say, they are doing a good job, so I have to come here and also supervise whatever they are doing, because first of all, I have not worked with them, so I don't know the quality of work that they can give. So I have to be present and also make sure that whatever they are being bought, I was present, and I was the one doing the buying materials with the fundi that I got here. So that whatever I needed is what we got from the shop. So at the moment it's around 4, and I feel dizzy. I feel very tired, and apparently whatever we were doing, we are not going to complete by now. And I just want now to leave and go and rest. But as you can see, doing a good job. So they have a lot of things that they have worked. Also, there are a lot of display there, and also you can see there are doors here. They have also done a very pretty good job here. I really recommend, because you see they are using this the tubes to in making the doors and those. So this one is a bit decorated well. So when you are working on this, I think this one, the round tube, it will be given a different color, and this one's also different colors to bring that that beauty in it. And now this one is a double door. It will have a small door and a big door. So this one will be the small one will be in the most of the time it will be closed. So they will be operating with this one, unless when there is something big which they want to maybe get in the houses, when they are using that one. And a lot of them, there's a lot of things here. Let me stand up and show you. You can see this is part of, I think these are gates. These are just gates. And plus the other things that they are working on here. So some of our materials which we bought, when they are cutting, some of that one, some are on the other side. So tomorrow morning, that's what we will start with. So let's just see this. I like the work, what I'm doing, though there is a bit of work they need to do on in terms of precision. Like for example, you see how this one they need to do it properly. Even this one they need to do it properly, grind it to be level. And you see this pipe, like that one. So just a small work which like this one needed to be grinded well, so that it can be even, it can flash well. It can flash well. You see this one. Yeah. So those touch up. I think if they are given the job and they have someone who is supervising, they can do a really good job. Because this here is in shags, and if they are working on something like this and they can give this, then they're not badly off. So like this one, you see, there is those spot is very visible. So they need to use the putty here in all here. So after that then they paint it, so it will not be seen like that one, and also in those areas. But their work is good. I really love. I worked in several shops. I worked in several shops before I landed here, but here is where I was really impressed with their work, and I decided now we are going to work with them, and possibly tomorrow we'll be finishing the work which we are doing there. So after fabricating whatever we had here, then we'll take it to the site, then we do the repair, then remove the glass, fix it, paint it back. I think we are done. If things works well by tomorrow, then I think by noon, I think that work should be done. So I'll keep you updated. At the moment, you can see how the climate is. It's not that good. It's not showing positively. So it might rain anytime. But I've not checked in wherever I need to go and rest. So I'm going to take lunch. I didn't take anything from morning until when I get there is when we took tea, and we took breakfast when we were on site. And yesterday evening I didn't take anything because I was really in a hurry and it was raining, so I didn't get time to go home and also check anything else. So I feel a bit tired, and also I feel I need to take something, to buy something and call it a day. And I know I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted on whatever is going on. So for now, I just want to thank you, and let's catch up in the next video. Thank you.